everyone, welcome back to our channel Vedanti Tutorial. Okay, or Vedanti Maths. Okay, in before section we have discussed the circles exercise 1C of first Roman and second Roman. So in this section we will discuss the third Roman. So before going to the third Roman, this is the question which they have asked in JEE Mains, that is 2012. So this is the question. So already we have discussed these type of questions in before section of exercise 1B. No, exercise 1A, the diameter, right? So already we have discussed like this question. Okay, when the 2 points have given, so we know how to find out the radius. So these are the options. So this is the question for you. If you know the answer, just comment me in the comment box. Either the answer is A, B, C, D, or which one is right answer. So for first year students, I am asking the general questions for them. For second year student, I will ask them IIT questions. What we have discussed the topic, from that only I am asking the IIT question. In upcoming section, I will discuss a total question. Okay, this is the third Roman of first question. If x square plus y square equals to c square, they have given one circular equation, and x by a plus y by b equals to 1, they have given a line. So this is the line. Intersect at A and B, then find AB. That means, find AB. Hence, deduce the condition that the line touches the circle. So first, see here. First, this is the circle. Okay. So AB. That means AB. Intersect at AB. Okay, this is the center. Okay. Okay, just think that's it. A line. That means a line x by a plus y by b intersect at A and B. So A and B, then we have to find out this AB equation. That means AB. What's the AB? Then after what they have asked, hence deduce the condition that the line touches the circle. After finding this form, that means AB, after finding the AB, we have to show that by deducing, that means reducing, that means a line, that means AB line touches the circle. Okay. First we have to find out this, then after by deducing the AB, then we have to prove that, we have to show that, that means the line touches the circle. Okay. First we'll write what's the given question. So given, what's the given? So x square plus y square equals to c square. This is the first equation. And x by a plus y by b equals to 1. This is the second equation. See here, from first equation, this is the standard form, right? This is the standard form of equation. This is line. Okay. Already we know the formula for radius when it is in the standard form, that is from 1 or equals to c, right? This is r square. Already we know the standard form, x square plus y square equals to r square. Here in the place of r, what's the variable here is there? C. So r square equals to c. Square will get cancelled and r will be equals to c. Then what's here? The center. Center is here 0. Why? Because there is no G and F. So center will be. Don't confuse between this is A and this is C. This is the variable. This is the center. Okay. From 1 we have find out this. Okay. Already see here. First we have to find out the AB. Here this is the center, right? So which is in perpendicular. So already we know the chord formula. What's the chord formula? 2 into root of r square minus d square. Already we know the r value, but we have to find out the d. Okay. To find out d, I'll write here in the upside. Okay. D. What's the D formula? Ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. Here line AB, what's the given line? This is this line. So from this line and center, that means this is the x1 comma y1 from the line. Okay, that means here this is x coefficient is 1 by a. So 1 by a into 0 plus, don't confuse it ma'am. This is the line and this is the center. So 0 comma 0 and x by a plus y by b equals to 1. So we are finding out the diameter for these two. Plus 1 by b into 0 plus in the place of, see what is there. So here will become minus 1. Why? Because if this minus 1 goes this side means it will become as minus 1. So root of a means here 1 by a whole square plus 1 by b whole square. I will rough it. Okay. Shall I rough it? Okay. Next. 1 by a into 0 and 1 by b into 0 will become as 0 and mod minus 1 by root of 1 by a whole square plus 1 by b whole square. So this is the D. That means if mod minus 1 means 1 by root of 1 by a whole square plus 1 by b whole square. Okay. Next, what we have to find out? Chord. So what's the chord formula? Now we are finding the AB. Okay, chord AB. That means 2 into root of r square minus d square. We know that r is the C. That means length of chord. Length of chord. This length. Okay. Why? Because it is in the perpendicular distance. Perpendicular. Okay. What is the value? 2 into root of r means c square. D means 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. Now solve it. 2 into root of c square minus the LCM for this is, it will become as, why? Because here a square b square. So actually it will be like this now. 1 by a square b square. So b square plus a square. If goes that side means it will become like this. Okay, don't confuse it. Okay. Now this is the length of the chord for AB for the first circle. But what they have given question, so they said to deduce the equation that the line touches the circle. Already I have discussed one note, that is when line touches to the circle, the condition, a note for this, or equals to D. Okay, don't confuse in it. There is a note for this. Already in previous section I have discussed this note and we have solved one problem for r equals to D also. Okay. That means now C equals to, that means r is nothing but C. D means, see, don't confuse between this D. Here we have written here D square. That means root get cancelled for the square. But here D, r equals to D. That means 1 by root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. This is the D. Okay. Now squaring on both sides, c square equals to 1 by, that means root will get cancelled, and that means a square plus b square by a square b square, that equals to c square equals to a square b square by a square plus b square. Okay. If square will get cancelled. Okay, already C, or C equals to root means AB by, that means root of A square B square by a square plus b square. So this is the answer for this. After deducing the equation, that means length of AB after deducing to the line of to the line of a circle, then the answer is c square equals to a square b square by a square plus b square. Okay. Now our first problem is completed.